Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 111. Given the linear number pattern 8, 3, negative 2, it goes on like that. Write down the next two terms of the pattern. So we have to check the common difference because we're told that it's a linear pattern. The difference is a term 2 minus term 1. Okay, not term 1 minus term 2. Should be term 2 minus term 1 and term 3 minus term 2. Okay, term 3. So it's term 2 minus term 1. 3 minus 8 is negative 5. And then negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. It means here again the difference is going to be negative 5. What is negative 2 and negative 5? Negative 2 minus 5, that is negative 7. You see that? Because we say negative 7 minus negative 2, that will be like negative 7 plus 2, which is negative 5. And then here again, it's going to be negative 5. Negative 7 minus 5, that is negative 12. Okay, negative 12. Then you can just confirm negative 12 minus negative 7 is like negative 12 plus 7, which is negative 5. If you extend by two terms, that would be negative 7 and negative 12.